Chiliz cost most certainly equivalent to $0.1272 a coin in an all things considered significant way. The present exchange cost range, 0.1269 0.1293. The earlier day close, 0.1287 in a very huge way. The change especially was 0.0015, 1.17%, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Opposite rate, USD to CHC, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.13, kind of greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12, which sort of is very critical. Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.13, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.14, truly least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.13, most extreme 0.14, certainly least 0.12. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.13, in every practical sense, greatest 0.14, especially least 0.12, which basically is very critical. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11, which sort of is genuinely huge. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, beautiful least 0.11, or so they especially thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, essentially least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $0.11, really greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.11, greatest 0.12, exceptionally least 0.10, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.11, fundamentally greatest 0.12, extremely least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.11, for the most part greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, least 0.10 in a for the most part significant manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.11, essentially greatest 0.12, least 0.10, or so they especially thought. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.11, fundamentally most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10, which especially is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.12, in every way that really matters, least 0.10, showing how in 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.11, most extreme 0.12, least 0.10, or so they generally thought. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.11, by and large greatest 0.12, in every way that really matters, least 0.10, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.12, exceptionally least 0.10. So Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, sort of least 0.12, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.11, certainly most extreme 0.12, exceptionally least 0.10 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.11, truly greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, or so they most certainly thought. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.12, fundamentally least 0.10. So Chiliz figure on Friday, April 28, cost $0.13, by and large greatest 0.14, truly least 0.12. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11, showing that Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.12, sort of greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, or so they basically thought. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, truly least 0.12, which explicitly is very critical. USD to CHZ swapping scale especially equivalent to 7.8616 coins per $1, which generally is very huge. Today, S reach 7.7340 minus 7.8802 in a sort of significant way. The past day, S nearby 7.7700 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0916, plus 1.18% in a sort of huge way. USD to CHZ cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is genuinely critical. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 7.692 coins, certainly greatest 8.333, genuinely least 7.143. Exhibiting how USD to CHZ cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which certainly is very critical. USD to CHZ expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 7.692 coins, especially most extreme 8.333, in every practical sense, least 7.143, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, May 1, cost 7.692 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 8.333, sort of least 7.143, showing that Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, genuinely least 0.11, or so they explicitly thought. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 7.692 coins, beautiful greatest 8.333, especially least 7.143. Fundamentally further appearance how Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.12, essentially least 0.10. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 8.333 coins, especially most extreme 9.091, least 7.692. So in about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.11, really greatest 0.12, by and large least 0.10 in a kind of significant manner. USD to CHZ forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 8.333 coins, beautiful greatest 9.091, truly least 7.692 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Friday, May 5, cost 9.091 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 10.000, really least 8.333. USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 9.091 coins, truly most extreme 10.000, least 8.333 in a kind of significant way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 9.091 coins, truly greatest 10.000, exceptionally least 8.333, which most certainly is very huge. In about 14 days USD to CHZ expectation on Wednesday,